Hello world, here's Biti, your Bitcoin trading informant, and this is your 5-minute Tuva update for the day. Guys, a little joke of the day keeps the apple away. So let's go. Today we have November the 2nd and we are starting now with our analysis. Here is Tradingfees and this is telling us we should on the 1 hour buy Bitcoin. The 2 hours are telling us yes, we should buy. The 4 hours, yes, buy Bitcoin, and the 1 day buy. So everything is telling us we should buy Bitcoin. Let's go. Here is CoinMarketCap. CoinMarketCap is telling us yes, we're going down a little bit, 0.8% a minus in the day. In the week, 1.29%. You can see here a sideways going Bitcoin and a little red Bitcoin here. Ethereum is going up 3.6%, a green chart picture on the right side, and 1.2% in the day. The Binance coin is also going up 10%, 11% in the week. Nice. Cardano is going down a little bit, 10.7%. Solana is going down a little bit. XRP is going down a little. The Polkadot is mooning for the day. Look at this on the day, 11% in the plus for Polkadot. Shiba Inu is going down a little bit, but in the week, 67% in the plus. And the Dogecoin is going up a little bit, and in 7 days, 3%. Today we'll follow a Dogecoin video. Please watch it. It's really interesting, guys. I promise. And you can see for the moment Shiba Inu is on place number 9, Dogecoin is on place number 10. Look at the coin market cap on the market cap here, 38 versus 36, a really nice fight for Shiba Inu. So let's check the next thing, what's going on with the dominance. And you can see, yes, we lost the dominance to the downside here. We are now under our uptrend. This is not good. It's better to trade in this time the altcoins as Bitcoin, and you can see it on CoinMarketCap also. Guys, this is now the chart picture for Bitcoin. Look at this, the 1 hour time frame. A triangle. Yes, we're forming a big triangle. We saw a fake out here once, a fake out twice, and now we're going down again a little bit. We have a big red resistance line. Biti, what is this resistance line? I can show you. It's easy. It's the bar chart. This is telling us this is our first resistance point. 62,200 is the first resistance point, and if you're looking at this, yes, the red line is our big resistance. We saw the fight with these lines for some times here and down again. Also a big resistance, and that's nearly the same as our big first pivot point, is the 0.5 Fibonacci at 62,500. So guys, we need to fight back 62,500, really big resistance. To the downside, big support is this green zone. Yes, you know it, the 60,000. And if you're looking at the bar chart, here it is, you can see the support point is on 59,400. Okay, that's the big support zone. You can see it also here, 60,400 big support, 50,900, 800 big support. This is a really big area here with 59,000 to 60,000. This is our big support zone here on the downside. As long as we're over this, everything is okay. If we will lose this, guys, we have some big problems maybe. And if we will lose this triangle, we also have these big problems because we have a bad downgoing price here. 49,100 is the price if we will lose this triangle to the downside, guys. So let's check the next thing, what's going on the daily, and the daily is really important now. First of all, yes, we have here a red bearish downgoing parallel channel, and we are still in this red bearish downgoing parallel channel. But guys, we have here now the Ichimoku support. Look at this. Here, the blue line, the red line. The blue line is the 9 lengths, the red line is the 26 lengths, and we have the ribbon band also here as a support. So on the daily, we have a really big support. We have the middle line as a support, and you can see with these big wicks, every day we saw a wick to the downside. Every day we saw a wick nearly here to this middle line. So this is holding for the moment. For the moment, so much support, but also a lot of resistance here. So please, Bitcoin, break this damn resistance to the upside. Break out of this parallel channel, and we would make a next nice long position if you're not long, guys. So this is this stuff for the daily. Let me show you one thing, guys, and this is the next thing. Where it is, here it is. Remember, guys, on the weekly we saw this bearish doji. A doji is also always a bearish trend reversal, a sign for a trend reversal, a bearish one. We saw this October 17th, and side this time, guys, we are going down here. It's possible to go down more. Our big question is, where is wave number 5? I showed you this video. Wave number 5, the mystery endpoint of wave number 4 is the important thing. Wave number 5 is a big target to the upside, and wave number 4, we are still in wave number 4, but where's the end? We have to check this. Not today, maybe tomorrow, because 5 minutes are over now. Remember, we are here on the doji star on a bearish, and if you are watching the monthly, guys, the monthly close was for the last months a really nice bullish candle. Look at this. We have a lot of bullish signs in the monthly chart. Here you can see the bullish engulfing, medium reliability. Here the 3 outside up, a bullish reversal with a high reliability. After this downgoing price, we have here a lot of bullish signs here. So all in all, the big time frame is telling us, nice, we are bullish for Bitcoin. The short time frame is telling us we need now a breakout of this damn parallel downtrend channel. So guys, 5 minutes are over. Thank you very much for watching. Have a nice time. And guys, very important, I'm not a financial advisor, not a financial advice. And remember this one, guys, a joke of the day keeps the apple away. Bye. Yours Biti, your Bitcoin trading information, guys. I need your thumbs up. I need your comments. I need you. Bye.